Chapter Breathing and Exchange of Gases. 1. The hemoglobin of a human fetus. Option A has only 2 protein subunits instead of 4. B has a higher affinity for oxygen than that of an adult. C has a lower affinity for oxygen than that of the adult. D. Its affinity for oxygen is the same as that of an adult. Answer option B has a higher affinity for oxygen than that of an adult. 2. What is vital capacity of our lungs? Option A inspiratory reserve volume plus expiratory reserve volume. B total lung capacity minus residual volume. C inspiratory reserve volume plus tidal volume. D total lung capacity minus expiratory reserve volume. Answer option B total lung capacity minus residual volume. What is true about RBC in human? Option A they carry about 20 to 25% of carbon dioxide. B they transport 99.5% of oxygen. C they transport about 80% oxygen only and the rest 20% of it is transported in dissolved state in blood plasma. D. They do not carry carbon dioxide at all. Answer option A. They carry about 20% of carbon dioxide. 4. The partial pressure of oxygen in the alveoli of the lungs is option A equal to that in the blood, B more than that in the blood, C less than that in the blood, D less than that of carbon dioxide. Answer option B more than that in the blood. Name the chronic respiratory disorder caused mainly by cigarette smoking. Option A respiratory acidosis, B respiratory alkalosis, C emphysema, D asthma. Answer option C emphysema.